Hello and welcome to the Andrew L. Bohais Library. Today I'm going to show you how you can access newspapers through our online databases. So first you go to library.canisius.edu. I would suggest logging in first through My Canisius, because in order to access any of our online resources you have to be logged in, shown that you are a Canisius affiliated faculty, staff, or student. So that is the first thing you should do, is log in through there. I am already logged in, so I am going to go here, and this Primo is our discovery search. It searches everything we have access to, and the easiest way to find the newspapers is do newspapers, because they are in almost all of our databases. So I did newspapers, and that looked for the term anywhere. So how to find specific newspapers titles, you scroll down, and on the side there is this resource type. Click it. You see there's newspaper articles, but a little further down there's this newspapers, and on the right side there's a red check, which means that would remove them, but on the left side you have a box. You click on it, it gives you a yellow check mark, and you click apply filters, and then it will bring you down to all the newspapers we have access to. Now we do have some print ones, so if you wanted just online ones, you click this availability is available online, and it will remove the few print ones that we have in here. And you can see they are coming up. You can do language ones, so if you're getting, or if you need one in a specific language like Spanish, you can do that. But here I'm just going to scroll down a little bit, and let's say you want the Reno Gazette-Journal for some reason. You click this available online. It will take you to the record for it. Here it is. This is available through ProQuest. It tells us they have full text from October 1st, 1999 to the present. You can choose an issue. You can search within this publication. And that is the easiest way to do that. Here you see all the different ones. Now let's say you didn't care what newspaper you wanted something from, you just need a newspaper article. We're going to click back to here, and we are going to X out of here, and I'm going to actually remove newspapers, because if you want newspaper articles, we're going to just put in like a topic like schools, search, and then we are going to scroll down again, resource type, newspaper articles, apply, and then again availability available online, and you have all the different newspaper articles that are coming up mentioning whatever keyword I had put in. If you wanted more than one keyword, you can always use the advanced search, and this brings up numerous boxes. In order to get to the full text, just click on the available online, and it should open up, and there's the full text. This is from the New York Times. And that is how you find newspapers and newspaper articles using our system. If you need any help, please call us at 716-888-8411 or email us at library@canisius.edu. Thank you and have a good day.